Get the may I help you understanding offers with may in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English modal verbs. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to use the word may when forming offers. This can be a powerful way to express politeness and respect, so let's get started. In the English language, may is often used to make offers. When we use may this way, it signals a sense of politeness and willingness to help or provide something. For example, you might say, "May I carry your bags?" to offer help to someone who appears to be struggling with heavy luggage. The basic structure of an offer using may is quite simple. It usually goes like this: may I, plus verb, base form, plus the rest of your sentence. Here are a few examples. May I help you with your homework? May I get you a cup of coffee? May I hold the door for you? This construction is both polite and direct, allowing you to communicate your offer in a clear and respectful manner. It's important to note that may is more formal and less commonly used in everyday speech than other modal verbs like can or could. While can and could are often used to make offers in a more casual setting, may is usually used in formal or professional contexts. For example, a waiter might say to a customer, "May I take your order?" But a friend might say to you, "Can I grab you a drink?" Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Choosing the right modal verb can help you set the appropriate tone for your interaction. And that's it for today's lesson on forming offers with may. It's a small change to your English speaking habits, but it can make a significant impact on how your communication is perceived. It might take a little practice to get comfortable with it, but you're well on your way. We hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your English language skills. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of modal verbs. Until then, keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Goodbye, and see you soon.